All right, guys, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We had a morning session today, and it went really great. And let's check something first. What am I doing? Trading view. Trading view. Hmm. Let's check Forex Factory. I don't remember checking it this morning. We got no news. What are we going? Are we going heavy or are we going light? All right, I'll make it 100. I'll make it a hundo. All right. Mm. All right. All right. Let's see now. What are we trading today? I feel like I haven't been getting anything good off AUD. Yo, the craziest thing happened to me today. I was trading and you know I was looking at GBP JPY, but this was on Euro JPY. And I'm watching the numbers and I'm like, why are they not matching up? In the trade, because I was like, good entry, bam, lost the trade because I was trading the wrong asset. I was looking at a different asset. And I'm just like, damn, that's the first time that's happening to me. And it was just so funny. You're odd. Okay, you're a cat. Alright, what are we looking for? JPY is the weakest in NZD. Let's look at Euro odd. I feel like that's a very strong pair for me. Euro odd. Hmm. Hmm. Euro odd. Alright, let's see. Gun the RIP them load up. I think this is a buy because I feel like it could come up a little bit more. I feel like it has some ways to go, before it turns back. Even if we should do it by wicks, still has some ways to go. You see? If it comes down again below my entry, I'm going to take it. I don't think it's going to come back, but if it does, I'm taking another buy. 793. Are you going to come back down? I don't even remember. What is my entry? I don't even know what my entry is, but let's check it out. 794 is my entry. It's gonna go up, but I would like it to come back down a little bit more, and then I proceed to the upside. I don't think it's gonna give it to me, but I would like it. I was gonna double entry on that one, but let's see how it goes. We got like a minute left. We got like a minute left to see what's about to happen. It was a good entry though, I ain't gonna lie. Let's see how much is on that candle. 2 minutes. Yeah, it was a good entry. I wanted it to come back down, like say 783, 784, and then I would just take a double entry, because I know it would be a better entry than my previous. If I'm taking double trades, it has to be a better entry than what I have. Like if I see it dips below, and when I do that, you have to be like an extremely confident trader to do that. Like you're absolutely 90% sure that it's gonna go that way. So that's just really what it is. If you're not sure, do not do double entries. See, right now it's playing with me, but we should get it. We should. $123. Yeah, we should get it. We should get it. It likes to do that. Like it likes to come back to wick you out of your entry, and it wicks you out of your entry. 10 seconds left. 8, 7, 6. All right, so we're a go. We are a go. I wonder. I want to take a sell, but it's so strong. The currency is so strong. You see, it came up here, instant rejection. That's what I like to see. Instant rejection. That means that there's now selling pressure in the market, and we should be getting some sells now, because it came to that point that I put my resistance at, and it gave me that rejection. So this is a strong indication that it's going down. Let's see what the currency strength meter is saying. I would love to see this candle flip to red now. Still got 9 minutes. If I caught the sell up here, that would be crazy. If it comes back up to 825, I'm in it for the sells. Anything above here, I'm in it. I'm in it for the sells. Even though it's a bullish market and I should only be looking for buys, but I am in it for the sells. Let's see if it rejects again. Remember, we're looking for 825. Oh, we just got it. Did I press it? Nope. I didn't press it. Let's hold. Hold. I don't want to break my rule. I'm waiting on this candle to close. Because if it give me this close below this line, you're taking sells. But if it closes above, you know what? I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. It's a risky trade, but I'm going to take it. And the reason why I'm going to take it is because it's rejecting this line. It's rejecting. And we're all the way up here on the stochastic RSI on the 15-minute, and we're almost all the way up here on the 5-minute as well. See, instant selling pressure at this side. This is a new area of resistance for now. Ticks resistance. Valid for now. So the resistance is valid for now. So we just took a buy, met at resistance, and we're in it for sells now because the resistance is now valid. The reason why I took that sell, and let me tell you why I took that sell. So I realized that we had a cluster of candles right here. That means that the candles were indecisive if they wanted to go up. So I know that, you know, for a fact that, all right, there's too many persons in the market trying to push the market down. Why is there so many indecision right here? So I'm like, you know what? Possibly if the candles come back up to that same point, there's going to be some sort of resistance. Now, this first candle right here was the key indication. It came all the way up to level of resistance. It left this wick line. This means that the buyers were trying to push price through the resistance, and the sellers said, no, not today. We're not ready to go up to that price as yet. We're going to sell right here. And that's what happened. That's why it came down and the body ended right here. They tried again, and it wicked out, and it ended at the same level right here. So what that means is that the market has changed. We're no longer buying. We're no longer adding buying pressure. We're adding selling pressure. And I waited until I was at, I don't remember where I was at. I was at 832. These numbers right here, these three numbers. I waited till I was at 832. And as you can see, 832 is all the way up here at the top here. This is the top of the candle. So when I'm at the top of the candle now, I just say, all right, cool. That's a damn good entry because the price is going to close right here where this previous candle closed. So I knew for a fact that, hey, if I enter for a 5-minute trade, I'm sure to see some strong sellers to the downside. Plus I had the stochastic RSI in my favor. It was already way overbought. You understand? It was already way overbought up here. So I know for a fact that it was coming down. It has a strong 15-minute candle. A strong 15-minute candle ready to close. You get me? See that strong wick from the 15-minute candle? Instant selling pressure. So I know that I have 5 minutes. I wouldn't take any more sells. Why? Why I wouldn't take any more sells? Because this is actually a buying market. And this level of resistance could just be valid for just the next 5 minutes. You get what I'm saying? It could just be valid for the next 5 minutes. So I know for a fact that, hey, this was a 15-minute candle, and if I can get a good position in, and for only 5 minutes, I know that it's going to go down for the next 10 minutes. You feel me? So I know it's going to go down for the next 10 minutes. All I need to do is get a very good, see, 3, 2, 1, bam. That's 2 in a row. You feel me? So all I needed to do was just wait for my opportunity. And to be honest with you, your odd is really my pair. Like, I was 100% in December on Euro odd, and I didn't even notice until the end of the month. I'm like, damn. You know, because normally I trade AUD pairs, and I'm like, you know what? Whatever. So with that being said, I think I'll probably look for one more setup, because this setup already played out. I just took 2 trades for the night. It was just this trade and this trade. So if you want to know what I made a while ago, you can times that by 2. 76 times 2. That was $150. I've already been trading from morning. I've had a morning session already. The video dropped 7 o'clock. I always do a video of my session in the morning, and then when I come in the evening, I do a live. So it's like you're getting the best of both worlds. You're getting a morning session, which is sometimes 1 o'clock. I recently started trading 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. I get good setups there. But to be honest with you, my trading times are 9 o'clock. But because I can't wake up at 9 these days, I'm going to my bed at 2, 3 a.m. trying to plan what I'm going to do the next day. So, yeah. So that's really what it is. You know, sometimes you get different patterns too as well when you're trading. This wasn't a pattern, because for the last 3 or 4 days, if you guys watch my videos, you know that I've been trading triangular patterns and I've been making money. Like, whenever I see a triangular pattern, that's it. It's over. Like, it's over for the market. Like, it's done. I know for sure that, yo, I'm in. I'm over it. I'm done. You get me? I'm going to make some serious money, because I hated to trade triangles at first. And I realized whenever I saw a triangular pattern, I never got it right. Never got it right. And I was like, this is my weakest. I did some reading. The candlestick pattern, candlestick Bible patterns. That's what the book is called. And after I read that book, I was a master of triangles. You know? So that's really what it is. Let me see if I can find another setup for you guys. AUD. Oh, the payout drop. Oh, we can't look at that no more. EuroCAD. Let's look at EuroCAD. For some reason, you guys watch my live after I'm finished. I don't get it, but probably we're in different time zones. But I don't get it. Like, you guys always watch my live after I'm finished. Like, when I go back to my live, I see views on there, and I'm like, yo, where were you people when I was live, when you could ask questions, interact, ask me to explain stuff? You get what I'm saying? It doesn't make sense. You sit on, you watch my live after when I'm live, and you can ask me the questions. Yo, why did you take this trade? Or what's happening? How was your journey going? Or anything like that, you know, to kind of help you on your journey. Because my aim is really to build a community out of my trading, like nothing else, nothing monetary wise, not charging anything at all. It's just to build a community of traders, because I believe that if you're going to the top, you alone, it's hard. But if you have a lot of different people, you know, coming together with learning at the same time, it's easier. You understand? You know, that's really what it is. Let's see. Alright, so refresh. Euro odd. I feel like Euro odd can come down some more. What's the entry on Euro odd? Euro odd is 718. 720, 718. I feel like it can come down some more. And the reason for that trade now, I'm not just clicking the button. I'm gonna tell you why I took this trade now. So a while ago I told you guys that, you know, after you hit the resistance up here, it's very hard to tell because it can come back. I normally like to take quality trades that are at support, but let me tell you the reason why I took this trade. If you look right here, you see that wick? That's buying pressure wick. So it bounced off of this level 2 times, right, to go back up to the upside. Now, this red candle broke through this level right here, right? And the next level that I see that it can come down to is right here. The next strongest level I see it can come down to is right here, right? Now, there's a possibility the candle can wick back, fine. But the next confirmation that I had was that on the 15 minute, I saw that this candle was heading down and it's already below these wicks. And we have 11 minutes on the clock, right? So we have 11 minutes on the clock. I'm like, all right, the stochastic is still coming down. I just refreshed my currency strength meter and I see that AUD has gained maximum strength and Euro has lost 2 bars. So immediately I'm thinking, oh yeah, this market is about to drop. It's about to tank. You know, it has 11 minutes to go down, so I can take a 5-minute trade. Right? I entered a good position, the starting of the candle, which was 7:30. Let me show you 7:30 on this. 7:30 is right here. Don't want to tell a lie. 7:30 is right here, the beginning of this candle. You understand? 7:30 is the beginning of this candle. So I'm like, alright, it's already below this point. It already closed below this point. So I know for a fact that it's going to fall very hard. Now, the thing about it is if this candle is falling very hard, right? If it's falling very hard, there's a possibility that it will run out of steam very quickly. So I don't want it to come all the way down here to this resistance very quickly, which sometimes it does that. It will come all the way down to the resistance and just do one massive wick like this all the way back up and clock you out. You understand? So sometimes it will go all the way down here, so you're like, yes. And then it just say, alright, I'm tired of running down there. It's time to go all the way and just wick right back. So I want it to just take its time gradually. Go lower and lower and lower. You know, I don't want the candle to be too fast. I want to just take its time, come lower and lower and lower. Double checking the currency strength meter to validate that AUD still has maximum strength and that Euro AUD still losing strength. We have 53 seconds left for this trade. Let's see how it's looking. Let's check the 5-minute. A new candle has just opened. This candle can retest here to validate this level. So it can do something like this. And I'm sorry if I'm speaking too jumbled or you can't understand. But sometimes the candle will retest this level to validate it and then come back down to this level. Or sometimes it will just run. You never know. You get me? Sometimes it will run, but sometimes it will retest this level and then come back down, just to knock out persons out of a trade. You understand? So let's see how far we are. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You get what I'm saying? So now, really and truly, I just took 3 trades. You understand? I just took 3 trades. At this point, I'm over trading, to be honest. Because you see the session I've had from morning. Right? I started here. I lost this $50. I said I was trading the wrong chart. And then I came back 120, 120, 100, 100, 100. At this point, I'm over trading. So I know for a fact that I'm satisfied with whatever I made today, which I don't even know how much I made today. You know, but because for me, it's not about the money. It's about the skill set. You see, once you master the skill set, trust me, the money comes after that. You get me? So how I master my skill set, I start with small accounts and I grow them. I have a personal account as well, but I don't show that on YouTube. You understand? I don't. But you know, I show my training accounts where I build accounts, and that's the accounts I really use to master my skill set. So when I come on here and I say I make $100, $1,000, or $500, I'm making that on training. You understand? Because at the end of the day, as them say in Jamaica, not everybody understand your income. You get what I'm saying? So I'll post my training material, but I will not post my personal account. You understand? So this is really a training account. And I use it. I build accounts, just build them. And the more I build them, because really and truly, once you have a large account, you know, it's easy. If you have $2,000 in an account, it's so easy. But yes, when you have $1,000, $700, $500, $300, you have to be very sharp. You get me? You have to be very, very sharp. If you have a small account, you have to be very sharp. If you're not sharp, you're gonna lose money. So that's why I said the skill set is so important. You get me? The skill set is very important. See this falling off the water now? See? How do I know these things? It takes time, you know, it takes a lot of time. It takes skill. You know, just like how a carpenter become a great tradesman by years and years of experience and practice. The same thing for, you know, us traders. You know, it takes years of practice. Some of us takes years, some of us takes weeks. I know traders that start a month and start making thousands of dollars in a month, and I'm just like, yo, how you do that? And they're like, yo, and then I have to think back and I have to say, yo, like, everybody's learning curve is different. So, with that being said, let's see how much we made for the day. So it says we made 300 and what that? 300. I don't think this is correct. I don't think that's correct. Let me check something. No, this is only counting for what I did a while ago. It's correct, because this says 228 at 100%, but this says 3 trades. That's counting for the ones that we just did. So it's correct. It is correct, because we did more than 3 trades today. This was just 3 and this was another 2. You understand? So I think, yeah, it is correct. $336 today. Boom, done for the day. You don't need nothing more than that on a small account. You don't. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm live Monday through Thursdays at 7 p.m. That's when my live starts. Monday through Thursdays, 7 p.m. I don't do lives on a Friday because I don't trade on Fridays. Unless I'm practicing something or I'm trying to get a new strategy. But thank you so